How to use PayPal on PrizePicks. First, you must have a verified PayPal account. Then you just need to log into your PayPal account to access the PayPal account balance. Then navigate to the PrizePicks deposit page and click on the PayPal tab. By clicking on this plus icon at the top right corner, you can access the deposit page. It will look like this, and you will find PayPal option here. You just need to simply click on it and enter the amount that you want to deposit. Then deposit your selected amount using your PayPal account balance. You just need to confirm from the PrizePicks. Then you just need to enter the credential of your PayPal account, then give the permission from the PayPal account for this deposit process, for completing this deposit process. You can also use your bank account through your PayPal account. In desktop, you just need to open PayPal in a separate tab. This will not work in PayPal portal on PrizePicks. Then if you don't have a PayPal account, create one. Then click wallet. After that, you will find link bank account. Click on it and select your bank account. If you see an option to instantly link your account, click it. If not, then follow the instruction on PayPal to manually link your account. Navigate back to the PrizePicks deposit page and click the PayPal portal. Complete your deposit with your PayPal balance and start playing. Now let's see how you can link your bank account through PayPal. Use your bank account through PayPal in mobile application. For this, you just need to download your PayPal mobile app, and then if you don't have a PayPal account, obviously create a one and verify that PayPal account. Then click on tap wallet and tap the banks. Then you just need to enter the bank credentials to add your bank account. Then navigate back to the PrizePicks deposit page and click the PayPal portal. Then complete your deposit with PayPal balance and start playing. Make sure the details that you have entered in this process is correct and verified. This is the only way to avoid any type of hassle for depositing any amount through your PayPal account to PrizePicks account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.